our next question is question number 5. So what's the question? Let's check. The question is, find the area of an isosceles triangle with perimeter 36 centimeter and base 16 centimeter. Okay, so let's first draw the triangle. Okay, so this is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so suppose this is A, B and C. So here base is given, which is 16 centimeter. Okay, and perimeter is given. So here perimeter is 36 centimeter and base is 16. Okay, so perimeter, we know what is perimeter. Sum of all sides is known as perimeter. Okay, so first we'll draw. So here I'll write solution. Then and you can also write here, given that the perimeter of isosceles triangle is 36 centimeter. Okay, and base is 60 centimeter. Okay, then the length of each of equal side becomes equal sides yani ki A, B and A, C. So we know perimeter. What is perimeter? Sum of all sides. That means AB plus AC plus BC equals to perimeter. Okay, so suppose we'll take AB is X. Suppose AB is X, so AC will be X. So here I'll put X plus 16 centimeter equals to 36 centimeter. Okay, so here we'll get 2x equals to 36 minus 10. Sorry, 36 minus 16, which is equals to which is equals to 20. Okay, so now x equals to 20 upon 2, which is equals to 10 centimeter. That means the equal sides are 10. So these sides are 10 centimeter. Okay, so now we'll get every size. Okay, so the next question is, find the area. So how to find an area of an isosceles triangle when all sides are given? We know Heron's formula, and by using an Pythagoras theorem we'll get the height. After that we'll solve it. Let me draw first the height. Suppose this is T, this is H. Okay, so there is two methods. One is Heron's formula, and then another one is the normal specific formula, which is half base into height. So for this formula we have to find out the value of H. Okay, so that's why I drawn a height AD over here. Okay, so let's check Heron's formula first. We'll solve this question by using two methods. So first one is Heron's formula. So let's solve it in Heron's formula. So here I write by using Heron's formula. So first we have to find out semi-perimeter, which is S equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So here we have A is 10 plus 16, not A, I mean these are the sides, but here A is 16 and BC is 10 and 10. Okay, so this is divided by 2 and here 36 divided by 2 which is equals to 18 centimeter. Okay, so now put the formula, and the formula is area equals to whole square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, so now whole square root of s, what is s? S is 18 centimeter, then 18 minus 10, then 18 minus 10, then 18 minus 16. Okay, but you have to write 16 then 10. Here I'll write in a random way, like 10 10 then 16, but the actual thing will be here A is 16 and B is 10 and C is also 10. Okay, so now whole square root of 18 into 8 into 8 into 2. Okay, so what we'll get here, here we'll get 36 into 8 into 8. See, there is 18 and 2. I'll multiply both of them. 18 to the 36 because 36 the square root is 6. Okay, so here will be 6 and 8 and the answer will be 48 square centimeter, and this is the answer. This is the area. Okay, so it was all about the Heron's formula, but now we will use the normal formula, the specific formula, which is half base into height. Okay, so here I tried by using the specific formula. So what was that? Half base area equals to half B into H. Okay, so here we already have base which is 16, but we don't have H. So first of all we have to find out the value of H. So how will we get that value? So for that you should look at this figure. Okay, so see, this is the isosceles triangle ABC. Okay, when I draw a height on BC, okay, it is the height. So we'll get two triangles. One is ABD and the another one is ADC. Now we have two triangles. Okay, so see here, if I'll take ADC by using Pythagoras theorem, I'll get this AD, that means H height. Okay, so for that, here we have to find the base. What will be the base? See, this is the vertex. Okay, so here I can write BC equals to half of, sorry, extremely sorry, BD. Okay, BD equals to half of BC. That means BD equals to half of BC is 16, which will be 8. Okay, so 8 centimeter. That means this base is 8 centimeter and this is 8 centimeter. Okay, so here we have AB, BD, and we have to find the value of H, यानी कि AD. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem, okay, we know h square equals to b square plus b square, right? So h square minus b square equals to p square. Okay, so now h square minus b square equals to, this will be, sorry, this will be, okay, so this will be whole square root of h square minus b square equals to p. So here we have 10 centimeter square minus base is 8 centimeters. So 8 square equals to p. So here 100 minus 64. This is equals to p. Okay. So here the result will be 6. Then 3. This will be p. Now p equals to 6. Here this will be plus minus 6. But here we need the positive value. Okay, that's why I'll take 6 centimeter only. Okay, so now we have both the b and h. Okay, so area equals to half b into h. Okay, then half base is 16 centimeter and this is 6 centimeters. So this will be 2 8 are 16. So this is 48 square centimeter. Okay, so this will be our answer. So by using Heron's formula, the answer was 48 square meter, and by using this method, the answer will be the same. Okay, which formula will be easier to you? You just choose that formula. Okay, which will be easier for you. Okay, so this is all about question number 5. Now coming to the next.